Okay, configuring the Phantom Alert is very easy. All you have to do is just go to the menu section. Okay, go to setting. Okay, and in here you can select your city for the traffic cameras. You know, we have a whole bunch of cities in here. Okay, we are in Washington DC, so I'm going to select Washington DC. Then I can choose from the menu if I want to hear the speech prompts. Yes, I want to hear the speech prompts. Do I want to enable the audio alerts? Yes, I want to enable the audio alerts for the enforcement POIs. Do I want the flashing auto alerts? Yes, I recommend turning on the flashing auto alerts, especially if you have your windows open and you can't hear the audible alerts. At least you will see the screen flashing, catching your attention. Okay, and there's other things that you can turn on and off. Enable auto flashing alerts. Yes. Enable auto start. Yes. Enable no screen timeout. Yeah, you don't want the screen to time out so you can get the visual alerts. Enable radar view with the scope. Yes, we want the scope. Hello. Hey, Jomo. Yeah. Yamatone. Yamatone. Okay. Bye. Okay, sorry about that. Cut this part. Cut this part. Okay, and you can also go down and turn on other things. Okay, and the other thing you want to do is you want to enable the alerts that you want to get. You know, do you want to get the red light camera alert? Do you want to get the speed camera alert? Mobile speed camera, speed traps. You have the DUI checkpoints, the railroad crossings, enable dangerous intersections, dangerous curves, and enable school zones. For example, here I have disabled the school. I've disabled the railroad crossings because around here we don't have that many of them, and it's kind of a little annoying. So you can pick and choose what alerts you want to get. Now the next thing is, you know, the radius. You know, radius in miles to load the Phantom Alert database. For example, I am in the Washington DC, so what I've selected is I'm telling the application to give me 50-mile radius of POIs. So within 50 miles of where I am, if there are any POIs, it's downloaded for you. And the next thing is POI distance tolerance in yards. Now, how early do you want to be notified? So you can pick your distance here. For example, 550 yards, 500 yards, 450. I'm going to pick 450. Okay. And if you're like in a big city where the blocks, you have the streets or the blocks are, the city blocks are very short, then you want to lower the distance. And if you are out in and on a highway, you want to get the alerts for the speed traps way in advance. So you want to set it for the maximum distance, which is 550. And of course, POI tolerance in school zones. School zones, there's going to be a lot of POIs in school zones. School zones are everywhere, so you don't want this thing going off every time you approach a school zone, which might not be on your route. So I'll select 200. And number of times you want the alert to play per POI. Do you want it always? Play it once? Play it twice? I'm going to do play always. Okay, and the Phantom Alert database. Do you want it? Do you want to load it every day, once a week, or every 2 weeks? I'm going to say once a day or once a day. Okay, and the image time for auto start for the traffic cameras. I want the traffic camera feed to be 4 seconds before it switches to the next traffic camera feed. Okay. Now the most important thing is you have to save after making all these changes. Okay. That's how you do it. That's how you set up the Phantom Alert user interface. That's how you customize it. And of course here you can turn tracking on and off.
Tracking on.
Okay, that's going to be tracking the traffic cameras. You hit once on the screen and you can turn off the alerts. You can turn it on, the camera views, and there are other things that you can do with it. Okay, now there is a speed trap that we know of in this area. So let's see if Phantom Alert database is accurate, and it will detect the speed trap and give us a warning, ample warning, with ample time, so that we are not going to be surprised. So if anybody has Phantom Alert database today on their Android phone and they're driving on this road, this is exactly what they're going to get. And we have over 400,000 POIs reported and verified on our website, phantomalert.com. And if you have an Android app or an iPhone app or a BlackBerry app, or if you have a Garmin, a TomTom, a Magellan personal navigation device, you could download all those POIs onto your device and you'll get alerts for those enforcement areas. Okay, here we go. So at the bottom of this hill, there should be a speed trap waiting for us. And if everything works well, as you can see here, it's already tracking the location. That red dot that you see on the screen, that's the speed trap. Okay, now we should be getting an alert anytime soon, an audio and a flashing alert.
Possible speed trap 390.
Right, that's right. And there he is. There he is. He's right here. He's right here waiting, setting up a speed trap.
Alert. Possible speed trap ahead.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's exactly how it should work.
45.